What's up, guys? HiHair120 here, and I'm back with another unboxing video. Just in case you hear a lot of noises, that's my family, having fun. I told it on the, hush down a little, so there wouldn't be any, disturbances, but I don't think they care. But anyway, so if you hear any loud noises, that's why. Anyway, this is my first ever brand new Xbox One controller. I had my original Xbox One controller that came with my Xbox when it first came out in around 2015 for Christmas, and I had it ever since. I'm surprised it didn't die yet. It's over there. Might as well do comparison. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have already made unboxing videos of these newer controllers, etc. I should have checked before I purchased it to see if it came with like Bluetooth, like the newer ones. Well, it's my bad. Wireless. Perhaps I did make a mistake. You just have to wait and see when I open up, because I thought it was the one that has, with the new one, the headphone jack. The only one way to find out. So let's open this up, see if I can do it one hand. Yeah. Oh, well, look at that. It does. It looks nice. And it comes with look at that. That's nice. Wow. As you can see, my old one, and the new one, I got this color because it was different and it looked cool, Alright, here's the batteries, and I think that's it. Let's see. No. Ooh, extra game. What is this? Ooh! I can't show you. Well, I can, because it's gonna be invalid by the time y'all look at it. That's cool. And over here, this is something that people don't care about. What is this? I don't know what that is. You can get booklet. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Redeem code for 14-day free trial. Xbox Live and over 100 high-quality console and PC games. Alright. Let's do it, If you want to see how my Xbox looks, is that one. Xbox One original, PlayStation 3, which is my brother's, and over there, and all that junk, is my PlayStation 2. Let me turn on my Xbox if you can hear me. Oh, hello. Xbox on. Oh, there it is. I still use my Kinect. Hold on. Oh, dear. Oh, I don't have my remote. Bear with me. Alright, got everything on. So I'm gonna do, because I have the rechargeable battery. I guess from using it so much, I overcharged it, and now it doesn't really hold the charge as well as it used to. But out the hood and in with the new. What is? There's a battery in here. It feels. Oh no, empty. And not much is different in the interior also. Yep, let's put this bad boy in there. Now I gotta pair it up. Is it? What color is it? Oh no. Oh. Oh, I gotta pair it. Okay. You hold the button on the side. hold the button on top. There it is. It's much more grippy on the bottom from years. Actually, this doesn't even have grip on it. I don't think it ever did when it first got released. It never had the grip on it. Like I said, this is the first standard one. So, yeah. But anyway, let's put this on here. Xbox Pass. I might have to pause it to figure out how to do it. Let's see. Store. Use code. Did they get rid of the... I think they got rid of the camera feature. Only one way to find out. Loading. Hopefully none of my payment info gets up here. Alright. Gotta do it the old fashioned way. Bear with me. Right. I put the code in. See if it works. Enter. Oh. Upgrading your membership. Join the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. See, oh my god. That was not supposed to happen. Get out of here. Oh no. Are you kidding me? Really? This is... Wow. That's stupid. Wow. Okay. I may have to do it again. Bear with me. Alright, I got it back. Not gonna speak a little quiet. Joining Xbox Game Pass Ultimate will upgrade your remaining Xbox Live or Xbox Game Pass memberships into Xbox Game Pass Ultimate at the current conversion ratio up to 36 months. Anytime over 36 will be lost. Note that all conversations are final and the conversation ratio is subject to change. Okay. 1 free month. Wait a minute. Turn on hey, not reoccurring. Get 1 free month. Nah, I'll just do a 14-day. Cause I might not always be using it. Cause I'm not much of a competitive gamer like everyone else is. Are you kidding? I am disappointed. I'm very disappointed. Really? Are you kidding me? What is happening here? What is happening? You know what? I'll set that up another time. But anyway, the reason why that I decided to upgrade my controller now is because the old one started glitching out, I guess, from after it falling so many times. It started glitching bad. So like when I play, WWE 2K19 or 2K20, you have to point down to switch to your finisher signature, and every time you click it, it'll double click. So you click it once, it'll double click, and you gotta keep clicking over and over again until it gets to the section that you like, and it's very annoying. And I think one of the buttons slowly started getting stuck also. But it's just time for a new one. It's so worn down that like I said, all the sides are completely smoothed, and the joysticks are smoothed down also. As you can see, if you can see it, it still has its grip. This is just like smooth, but yeah, you know, oops, free batteries, Duracell, OEM, yeah, got that good quality, you know. But that's all I have for this video. Hopefully I will have another video up soon. So stay tuned for that. Like I say in all the other videos, eventually I'll stop. But if you like to get any future updates on any videos, follow me on my Facebook page, Tyhair120, and I'll post any updates or any videos or whatever on there. And that's about it. So I will see you guys in the next video, and have a lovely day or night or whatever. Tyhair120 out. Peace.